Hey there guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to find the best phones under 15,000 rupees. So if you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Now without doing any further delay, let's get started. The first phone in our list is Redmi Note 9. It is the cheapest phone in our list, yet offers some excellent features. The highlighting features of this phone are: the phone comes with a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which offers excellent gaming performance in this price point. The Redmi Note 9 packs a quad camera setup in the rear, and the main sensor is a 48 megapixel shooter. The phone comes with a 13 megapixel selfie shooter. Coming to the display, it comes with a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus punch hole panel, which is protected with Gorilla Glass 5. Sadly, the refresh rate is limited to 60 Hz. The phone comes with a 5020 mAh battery along with 22.5 watt fast charger, which is provided in the box. Now coming to the pricing, the 4GB and 64GB variant, that is the best variant, costs 11,999 rupees. Hence it is the best phone under 12,000 rupees without a doubt. However, if you can spend 1,000 rupees more, then you should be considering the next phone in our list, which is Realme 6i. The key specifications of this phone are: the Realme 6i comes with a MediaTek Helio G90T processor, which is a bit better than Helio G85 that is present on Redmi Note 9. Hence, this phone is going to perform even better than Redmi Note 9. The phone packs a 48 megapixel quad camera setup in the back and a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. Coming to the display, the phone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, which is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The best thing about this display is that it supports refresh rate up to 90 Hz, which is insane considering the price range. The phone comes with a 4300 mAh battery along with the support of 30 watt fast charger. However, in the box you will only get a 20 watt charger, which is also good in this price point. Now coming to the pricing, the 4GB and 64GB variant of Realme 6i costs 12,999 rupees, that is 13,000 rupees, which is definitely a good deal. And the last phone in our list is Poco M2 Pro. The main features of this phone are: the Poco M2 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 720G, which is the best processor under this price range. It is even better than MediaTek Helio G90T and offers the best performance under this price point. The phone also comes with a 48 megapixel quad camera setup at the back and a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. The Poco M2 Pro comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, which is the largest display size in this list. But this display does not support higher refresh rate like Realme 6i. Talking about the battery, it gets a 5000 mAh battery along with a 33 watt fast charging. The fast charger is also provided in the box. Coming to the pricing, the 4GB and 64GB variant of this phone costs 13,999 rupees, which is pretty good considering the specifications. So this was my video. I hope you guys have liked my video. If you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.